Create playable ads within minutes with OJOO. Log into the studio and select a template like the interactive video. There are 4 steps in the creation process: defining the looks, adding content and optionally a prize, and finally publishing it. Start by choosing the ad size and select the basic elements. Then choose the font and color scheme. Now it's time to add the content. Start by uploading a video. Once that's done, select which layers you want to add on top of it and upload your text and images as needed. Next, you define how the layer appears. Would you like it to appear automatically? Or do you want a text link or custom hotspot the players have to click on? Simply drag and drop the hotspot to any location on the video and set the duration it should appear on the screen. In the prize section, you set up how your ad will finish, and if you want to add a prize that viewers can win. You can add a prize by simply uploading an image of the prize or code that can be redeemed. You can add a minigame, like a tiebreaker or slot machine, to distribute the rewards. If the player didn't win, you can offer them an extra chance if they share the ad with friends. If you want to see what your ad looks like, just hit the preview buttons and play the ad instantly. Now you're ready to publish the ad. Before you do this, you can edit some settings such as the campaign duration, the image and text for sharing, and the call to action link. Once the ad is published, you have 2 links to choose from: one to the landing page with the ad, and one with an iframe that you can easily embed in your website. Open your favorite web page builder and copy-paste the code like we do here. And the interactive ad will be up and running. To access all the leads and data that the ad generates, go to the overview page of all your ads. Hit the Stats button and an Excel file with all the results will be generated for you to download. And that's it for our short overview of the studio. Time for you to get creative and design your first ad.